Ebusianfour, your friend Emilia Brobe. Yeah, be ye movie premiere kesiye pa ewo Kumasi City Mall. Ye watch and dine cinema. Miracle Films and its Xylophone Art Fund. The movie premiere kesiye eba Kumasi City Mall. Me ba premiere nibi. Bila Samwa Calibos, Tracy Darling, all the movie stars. Ye ba ye watch and dine cinema. Kaise, date near 21st September 2018. Pacho Mumbra, na this great movie called Kobolo. Emilia Brobe played the role of a teacher. Once a teacher, always a teacher. At the Funyina and Bra Watch and Dine Cinema. It's going to be a great show. Come and support the Ghanaian movie industry. So many stars will be around. Come, let's watch the movie together. Take photos, make videos, have fun, get to know each other. The dates are 21st September 2018. Mumbrana Enije Semkesie. Mumrayen Shomuvishum Queen. It's so interesting. It's awesome. It's amazing. I want you to meet me at the Watch and Dine Cinema. Movie together. Be there because I am going to be there. Don't miss out. Pachamunyina in your numbers and let's do this together. It's going to be awesome and amazing. I love you guys.